Once upon a time, in a sunny green meadow, lived Crane, who danced by the crystal clear pond every morning. The pond sparkled like diamonds and the fish swam in circles, tickling Crane's long legs. She loved to dance by a shiny, clean pond.
La la la! Splash and spin, the pond is clean. Let's dive right in.
Not far away lived gentle, friendly cow who loved to explore and munch on grass.
Moo! I hear music. Is someone singing?
La la la! Splash and spin, the pond is clean. Let's dive right in.
Wow, let me see. Who is that singing?
And the cow starts walking with the big steps, chasing the music.
Is that you singing?
Yes, cow.
That's you. Hi, Crane. That song is lovely. What are you doing?
Hello, cow. I'm dancing by the rainbow pond. The water is clean and shiny. Even the fish dance with me.
Wow, it's so sparkly. I want to splash in it too.
Wait, cow. Please don't jump in. The fish will get scared and the water will get muddy.
But cow was so excited she didn't listen.
Wee! Nice.
Oh, the pond turned brown, the fish swam away, and the water stopped sparkling.
Oh no, my rainbow pond. It's all muddy now.
I'm sorry, Crane. I didn't mean to mess it up.
It's okay, cow. But let's work together to fix it.
Yes, let's do it.
So cow brought clean water from the stream in a little bucket, and Crane helped to sweep away the leaves.
1 scoop, 2 scoops, clean and clear.
Splash, splash, fresh water's here.
Cow walks to the side carrying water in a bucket. Crane flaps and sweeps gently. Together, they clean the pond until it sparkled again.
Look, the rainbow sparkles are back.
And the fish are dancing again.
From that day on, cow always tiptoed near the pond.
Please keep the water sparkly.
And every morning, Crane and cow sang together by the rainbow pond.
La la
Moo,
la!
moo, sparkly pond, we care for
careful.
you.
They stopped others from entering into the pond and made sure that the water remained sparkling. Moral of the story: respecting nature and working together keeps the world beautiful for everyone. For more videos, please like and subscribe.